Hello, I am Yatharth Purania, a second year mechanical. Elliptical Trammel is an inversion of double slider crank mechanism consisting of four links: the fixed link, the two slider link, and the one connecting rod, and the two joints that are nails. This mechanism is generally used to draw an elliptical shape, but here I have used glass cutter that will move in an elliptical path and eventually will cut the glass in an elliptical shape. Now here I have a circular wooden piece having slots in it. The diameter of this wooden piece is 20 cm. The width of the slots are 1 cm, and I have a connecting rod. The length of this connecting rod should be bigger than the diameter of this wooden piece. Now for sliders, you have to attach the sliders with the help of nails in this way you can see here, and join the glass cutter with help of any adhesive material. Now manually you have to rotate. You can see the glass cutter is moving in an elliptical path. The slider will move in such a way that one slider will wait till the other slider passes. This motion will give us an elliptical shape. By applying pressure on the sides of the glass, you can break the glass in an elliptical shape, and the outcome will be a glass will in an elliptical shape. You can change the size of the ellipse by changing the position of this glass cutter. If you want a bigger ellipse, you have to increase the distance between glass cutter and the center of this base. And if you want a smaller ellipse, you have to join the cutter near to the center. The thickness of this glass I have used is 2 mm, the length is 60 cm, and the height is 30 cm. You can see this slider is waiting till the other slider passes, and then it goes. The same goes with the other one. This motion of the slider gives us an elliptical shape.